Hello, everyone. Chef Robert Quebeca here to talk about where does chocolate really begin? A discovery of cacao agriculture. Most people think chocolate begins in a factory. Well, we know it doesn't. Chocolate begins in a rainforest, growing from the trunk of a cacao tree, where every decision made by a farmer will influence the flavor you experience months later, or even years later. The variety of cacao, the health of the soil, the amount of rainfall, when the pods are harvested, and even how carefully they're opened all shape the final chocolate. By the time a chocolate maker receives the cacao beans, much of the flavor has already been forged. That's why fine chocolate isn't simply manufactured, it is cultivated. So the next time you taste a remarkable chocolate, remember that you're tasting years of work of experienced farmers long before the chocolate maker ever touched the beans. If you would like to understand chocolate the way aficionados do, I've written the full story in my blog, and you can read it at thechocochef.com/blog. Until next time, cheers.